feeling fast, fast, fast. You and last, last, last. Getting gap, gap, gap. Cause we Midwest fast, feeling fast, fast, fast. You and last, last, last. Getting gap.
Right there, Russell Foreman, 417.
Get you some of that!
417. Is that track record or? Is that track record or? No.
Chemist has got a Chemist.
It's Titan record.
That's 275 though, ain't it?
Yeah.
Probably so.
28.
29.
Is the other 29?
Yeah, I think it may be a Chemist. Good job, boys!
Now for your final round.
Here with old Russell and Betty White. What just happened? That was pretty fast.
Pretty decent pass. Pretty decent. Pretty happy.
417. I know it's a Titans record.
Yep.
I'm pretty sure it's a track record.
It was. That's what I got told at the end. So
I was like, I wasn't gonna for sure say before I posted, but
it was a good pass. Everything went perfect.
And I had the GoPro on it.
I know, and I'm glad you did. You can have the GoPro anytime.
I know he's gonna have me put it on every pass.
Yeah.
It's good luck. No, I'm gonna put the 360 on this time.
Okay.
So that way you can see how much you gap him, right?
Yep.
So, well, congrats again, man.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
I've known you forever. My dad and you were good friends. So
yep.
I'm glad I could be here. Congrats, man.
It's been a fun night.
Now go win it.
We're gonna try.
Be safe and get her done.
Thank you.
Getting gap, 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 cause we Midwest fast. Cutlass gon' quick. Hit Hit the NOS and dip out, making these hits.